Patients presenting with male and female pattern hair loss to the clinic, we now have a comprehensive solution for you. The first step is the BioCell hair serum for in-clinic use. This is one of the most potent stem cell therapy that has been the #1 selling in Asia for the last 8 years. We do reconstitute the activator with the powder, and once we have the reconstituted product, it's ready to be used. The first step in our hair restoration protocol would be to descale the scalp using the meso peel. We would apply the peel on the scalp, leave it for 5 minutes, then neutralize. Now we would have a clean base onto which to apply our serum. We will apply our reconstituted serum onto the scalp and perform some microneedling. The third step would be to ask the patient to sit under the infrared and red light, some LED light, for 20 minutes. And for aftercare, we should sell to the patient the Cineol shampoo, which is an equivalent to topical minoxidil, but without the side effects. And it's a 5-alpha reductase inhibitor that will prevent the hair loss. And also, we have this very good serum, which is one of our bestsellers, is the BioCell hair serum. In fact, it's a stem cell therapy which is encapsulated in the liposome, and it's combined with copper tripeptide and Korean ginseng to activate the hair cells. So these two are our aftercare, and we have the comprehensive system to be able to treat most forms of hair loss.